Hi guys, how are you all doing today? I just wanted to come out here and show you what happened. Uh, if you all remember, I had a bookshelf right here. And sorry about the shadowing, guys. It's raining here in Texas. It's terrible. So everything is shadowed. Look at it, shadowed my crib. And little Miss, where is she? Little Miss Emily Ann is hiding underneath her blanket. She's laying here. But I just wanted to show you my wall. It is now empty. I have no bookshelf. And then you pan over to here, and now I have all my collection of Cabbage Patch dolls sitting in my crib. And then I have Journeys hidden back there. And Ashley. Not Ashley. Is that Ashley? Oh my gosh. I can't remember my babies. But anyways, they're all sitting upon each other. See? Because my daughter moved in with her wife. And they had no place to put their food that they're bringing in because my pantry is full of stuff. And so I had to, out of the nice and goodness of mother's heart, gave them my bookshelf so they can put their groceries and they can get it when they need it. You know, the things we do for our children. I've had a lot of changes in my life since they moved in, and this is a big one right here for me because now I have to find somewhere, focus, to put all of my Cabbage Patch collection. They're all hiding. See, they're all hiding. There's one hiding there. So, yeah, so I will be, this is just a random video, guys. This doesn't have anything to do with, really, with Reborns. It's just a random video I wanted to put on here. I thought it would be something different. So now I have to find a place to put these at. So, next paycheck my husband gets, hopefully, I am going to buy me another bookshelf that's going to be a little bit bigger. And I'm going to put it right back here where it used to go so I can get all my dolls off the floor. So those are just part of them. Now if you can pan over here and you see here's my little babies. And if anybody's interested in beautiful Levi here, he is for sale for $300. If you're interested, let me know. You can put a comment in the bottom of this video. Let me know you're interested. He's selling for $300. He is super cute. And he's got a lot of shadowing on him, or a lot of daylight on him right now. Maybe I couldn't there. Now you can really see his coloring, but he is pretty. But I'm ready to sell him. And there's my other little babies. There's my little cuddle baby right there. But these here, guys, and there's mine. Don't mind these boxes. Look at those boxes. This is crazy. I had to put them in my nursery bathroom, because my kids moved in and I had nowhere to put them. So that's where they are for now. And then these are still my boxed ones. Look at this. I have all these boxed ones here that I need to find a home for. That's why I said I need another new shelf. And then what else did I do? I got all these in the shelf. Those are all my little blooms. They're in my shelf. Just put a new, I love my little elephant. Just put a new Scentsy packet in his body. My room smells so good. I love it. And then you guys already seen my wall. And then that's where I do a lot of, here's the dresser. That's where I do a lot of my filming from. You can see my tripod right there because I was just filming a video. There's my little two troublemakers. I don't know if you can see them. This is in the way. Let's see if I can move this out. If it'll stay. There's my two little troublemakers sitting in their little swing. My little Vivian and James. Still, they have their little cute little outfits still on from Easter. So those guys need a changing. And then here is my, I don't know if anybody's seen my new Pixie. I had a video on her a couple videos ago, I think. And look, I fixed her shoe. If you've seen the video, you'll understand. So I fixed that, and then poor Faye is on the floor. She's not on the floor. She's in a little, little cedar. And then, so I have these. little Cabbage Patch. One's here. My camera looks a little bit blurry. Let's see if I can get there. These are little itty bitty baby ones, but she's really super cute. I think she is the points. Yeah, she's the poinsettia one. So I gotta find a home for those. And then there's one over there keeping my blinds open, my window open. So, and then I have these here that are on the floor. They are porcelain fairies. Yeah, they're porcelain fairies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5, I believe. Yes, and these are their boxes. And I'm needing to take pictures of these because I'm going to put them, I don't know if I'm going to put them on eBay or Etsy, but they are super cute. And I would open one up for you right now, but it took me forever to get them in. I don't know if I can open, let me see. I don't know. Oh, they may still be in these boxes. Let me see if I can. I don't, guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so not easy. And they're still, I had taken them out because I was going to keep them at one point, and I thought, no, let me sell them because they're so cute, and somebody that's into fairies will love these. Now, this is the one that has a little stand to her. Can you see her? I don't know if you can see her very well, but she's a fairy. Don't mind, this stuff is just on her head. Yeah, I'm trying to keep her hair okay. But she's got the fairy wings in the back. And see her little feet? She's adorable. And she hangs. So she has like a little hook that she hangs from. Looks like she's flying. So that is just one. She's so pretty. That is just one. See, there's her little, see the metal right there? That's her stand. So she flies from that. So now I gotta try to put her back in here very gently and cover her up. So I think I'm gonna put those on, I don't know if I can put them on Etsy or not, because they're not handmade. So I may, whoa, yeah, that would be good. I may have to put her on, or put them on. There's 5 of them, and they all do something different. I'm trying to figure out which one to do it. Do I put it on Etsy? Or can I put them on Etsy? I don't understand if I can or not. I have to check that out. Or I'm going to put them on Facebook to show that what I have. Or I'll go through eBay and do that. So, yeah, that's my little collection there that I need to put out there. I do have a Poshmark that I just started putting out there, so I could put them on Posh. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. If I'm going to put them on Poshmark or eBay, I'm going to figure all that here very soon. I'm going to grab this one here of my baby so I can let my drapes go and I can put her back. So she's cute too. She's the winter holly. But yeah, they're super cute. I haven't seen too many of those little baby ones, but they're adorable. But anyways, I just wanted to update you on my room. I don't know if there's anything new. I don't think there's anything new that I added to this room. I just wanted to show you, like I said, this is a random video, guys, just to show you that I now have a blank wall. Oh, it sucks. I don't like having a blank wall, but I am definitely getting me a better one, better bookcase, a little bit bigger, and maybe I can get these all fit in there properly, and hopefully I get it soon. I can't get it to we get paid again because things are tighter these days with everything going on, so I have to be careful. So I'm going to have not just a blank wall, guys. I'm going to be having these all put back into my shelf. But I just wanted to show you that my room is a mess. It was so clean. I had this all straightened up. I had it all fixed up, but now I had to change all this stuff and put them all in there. And little Miss Bella, she's still, I shouldn't say little Miss Bella, she's a big Bella. I love her so much. I can't wait. I want to take her out really this summer. Oh, if we can ever get out of this house, I'd like to do some videos. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to take you to a tour around the craft room and let you know some of the changes that have been made. And of course in here we have Oliver, my little Oliver, and Sophie May. I keep them covered. There's Sophie. And here's Oliver. I keep them covered because I don't want to have dust on top of them, so I keep them pretty much covered. She's missing her headband. Her headband is right there. That green thing is her headband. And then there's a couple, oh, this is the little bear. I think this koala bear came from Cheryl. So I keep it in here because these are my two little Aussie babies. So I keep this one in here all the time. And then there's just a little giraffe lovey, and that's her headband. So see, that goes to her outfit. She's really cute in that outfit. I don't want to take it off her. I love it that much. But anyways, guys, and then here's my favorite piece in my whole room. It says "Dream Big, Little One," and it's the elephant. Yes, that's my favorite piece. And then there's still all my stuff up here. It's going to be a little bit fuzzy because we're right by the light. So there's the elephant at the very end. So guys, that's all I wanted to really show you. It was just something different. It didn't have really reborn related stuff in here like a changing or anything, but I wanted to, you know, sometimes we get tired of seeing changing, you know, changings of dolls. I wanted to try to do something cool, but being stuck in the house isn't helping me any. So I don't know. It's like I've been going stir crazy. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to get the heck out of here and be able to go amongst the world again. And they said we haven't even hit our peak yet, so I don't know. I just want this over, just so I can get back to whatever we call normal. And it's kind of weird how you really miss the things that you used to be able to do, but you can't do them now because you're stuck inside the house. You know, kind of really sucks. But anyways, here's my crib. And there's the top of my crib. Got the crown on it. I love the, like the gray netting that goes down. Beautiful crib for any baby. I keep saying I'm going to wait for my grandbabies to get here so I can actually use this pretty little thing and the dresser. So anyways, guys, I guess I'm going to let you go. That's about all I really wanted to show you, is that I'm missing a very big piece of furniture in my room and all that stuffed in there. And now poor Viv and James is sitting down in there, and I got dolls like scattered everywhere. Those got to go on eBay or something. And then I have these little ones here, and you've got a little dust on your head. Let's get that off your head. She has some dust on her head. So, and her little pierced ears. I don't know if you can tell. But anyways, still don't know what I'm going to do with this guy. You know, I tried to root him. It was my first rooting job. He looks like he's bald on the side, but he's not. His hair is just like, it's messy. It needs to be combed over. It needs to be fixed. I don't know what's happening with his hair, but he's a preemie. I don't know. He's cute, but he does have some boo-boos of where I was. I think you all know about Clyde. He's got that white behind his ears. Somebody told me to use a white pen to do his rooting, you know, the lining of his rooting, you know, the, you know how you mark the head? That gives you a place to where you want to put your rooting parts at, you know, which way you wanted to root them. It's a map of the baby's head, basically, is what you do. And he has some white that doesn't want to come off. So he's kind of a boo-boo baby, and I don't know what to do with him. I thought about just giving him to somebody. I don't know. So we'll see what happens with him. And then, you know, Honey, there's Honey. She is still out for sale. I think she's $200. She's still out there for sale for BellaBeanReborns.com. On my Etsy, you can look under Maria Scott or look under Bella Bean Reborns. It should come up. That I can't sell Levi through there because he is handmade, but I did not paint him. I think her name is Pink Peony. Is that what it's called? Pink Peonies? I think her name is Linda. She painted him for me. And he's cute. He's like a little redheaded. So he's adorable. For some reason, I don't know. I couldn't bond with him very much, and I don't know what that is because he's a huge sculpt and he's so cute, and I just don't do. This is the wrong pacifier to put for him, but and it's even upside down. I don't know. I can't seem to bond with him for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, he is on my Instagram for sale, $300. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to let you go. These are my two little cuties. Because I just wanted to do something different today, and I just basically wanted to show you my empty space. But I will be getting there something soon. Something here, hopefully soon. Get these out of my crib. That's not what this was made for. And then get those put back in there. So, but anyways, guys, I'm going to let you go because this thing is after 15 minutes long of yakking. Just yakking. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to let you go. I hope you all have a blessed day with whatever you are doing. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Keep your distance. Please, everybody. Prayers are being sent out to everyone that has been affected or exposed to, or whatever the case may be. You all have my love. So, take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you're wanting to do all that fun stuff for me. I would appreciate it. And hopefully we'll have something here soon. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.